Hello, chatters! What's up, everybody? Finally back, dude. You know the best part about doing game dev stream after not doing it for a long time is because when I don't do it, then it's good for people who haven't watched it all before, dude. They're like, oh, I'll click this cool VOD, and then they're lost if I know what I'm doing. When I don't know anything, you know, they get a full look through. Okie doke. Actually, hold on. Give me 1 second. Really quick. Dude, I didn't restream. I just realized. Oh, I can't see YouTube chat. Hold on. Hold on. I'm being racist against YouTube chat. 1 moment. Dude, I gotta do something different, man. I actually have to. This is like horrible. 1 moment, gamers. Okay, I gotta add YouTube chat back. Okay, there we go. I can see you now, Celogen. Hello, Celogen. Fucking horrible, dude. Okay. So I'm gonna be real with you. I haven't touched this project in a long time. I mean, you know, I try to touch this only on stream, generally speaking. But I opened my goals today, and it says this: request tile place. So I kind of remember a little bit of what's happening. So what I need to do is have it so that it requests to place a tile. Because if two people place a tile at the same time, then one of them has to win, and then we have to have some sort of request for that, right? You can't just do it, otherwise it dies. But I don't remember if everything is working or not. I'm being real with you. So let's just first, how about we just run the game and see what happens? I think tile placing is technically good. Also, okay, I came to a few conclusions. We're going a little scatterbrained today, but I came to a few conclusions about the way that I'm tackling this like this whole system, right? And one thing that I kind of forgot about, right, is I have to be able to do like rollback is not just fast forward ticking. It's also the ability to go backwards in time, right? And that is definitely hard, right? Like I have to be able to refigure out, like, okay, so for example, okay, here, I'll do this first, and then we will look at what the fuck's going on here. So if I have a thing, right, there's a conveyor belt here. Hold on, let me make it dark mode friendly. Okay, if we have a conveyor belt, and there's like items going this way, right? Let's say there's like an item here, and then 4 frames is gonna be here. Then I have an inserter here, and the inserter gets placed down at whatever time. The item that is in this inserter, unless I roll back the conveyor belt also, will be a different space away from this item. So if it places on frame 0, like on the client, it'll be ahead of it. If it places on the correct quote-unquote frame and we tick forwards, it places behind it, right? So I also have to do that, which is definitely gonna suck ass. But the other thing is I thought about it, and maybe I don't have to. Like, okay. Okay. The biggest problem is that this will lead to desyncs. Like, if I just do this on 2 clients, they're gonna see 2 different things, which is obviously inherently bad. But if it doesn't work, right? Like, if it is desynced and nobody notices and the results are the same, it doesn't really matter, right? Right? Like, there's no way for it to, like, die if this happens. Like, if the items are out of order, well, maybe it could. I don't know. I have to test a lot to know for sure. Especially since I'm going to add new stuff, right? Like, if I'm adding new stuff, then it definitely could die. But, you know. No, this is a conveyor that already exists, okay? And this is an inserter that's placing onto a conveyor. Like, I just placed this inserter now, and this conveyor exists already, and there's an item that's moving on it already, right? Desync is better than non-functioning? I think desync is non-functioning, Heretta. I'm pretty sure that is one and the same, you know? But anyways, so we gotta check first. HC hardcore. Okay, so we got the guys, but if I place a tile... Okay, if I place a tile... Okay. So it seems like things aren't working very well, huh? Considering... Okay, right. Oh, no, that's right. I think I was in the process of making the thing. I think. Maybe. Because I think that's what payload tile is. This is supposed to do something when it activates and turn into the real tile. Right. Okay. We gotta... Who are you? What is happening, bro? Non-functioning would mean there's nothing to be decent because it isn't working. I mean, I guess technically, kind of, but not really. but not really. Like that's like saying like okay, non-functioning sandwich because it doesn't exist. I agree, but non-functioning sandwich because it has like anthrax in it. You know, I don't know if I would call that good. It's unloaded. Excuse me, can we not? I'm just gonna reopen it and see what happens. You know what I mean? let's just reopen it and pray that that doesn't happen this time, maybe, huh? Dude, why? My .cs project is gone? What do you mean, motherfucker? Why? Why though, man? It's a great start. This is great. This is fucking awesome, dude. What do you mean it's right here, dude? It's literally right. It's right here. Oh, wait. No, yeah, it's right here. Wait. All caps. No, but that shouldn't make a difference. It's right here. Okay, hold on. Let's just open the SLN file here. Maybe it's chill. Okay, you know what? You know what? If it works, it works, right? Like fucking whatever, man. It's fine, dude. We fixed it, dude. We fixed it. Okay. Whatever, it's fine. Okay. Please don't open a new one. Okay. It's all good. Okay, so what's happening? When I place a tile down, it places the placeholder tile, right? Or the payload tile. Case-sensitive file systems are cursed. Aren't like... Is Linux case-sensitive? I don't remember. It's been so long since I used Linux, dude. It's been forever, bro. Okay, dude, it hasn't even been that long, like realistically. Hold on. When's the last time I streamed this? Let me just check really quickly. Just for the knowledge. I streamed game dev last April 3rd. Oh, it's been more than a month? Jesus, dude. Okay, maybe it has been a while. maybe it has been a while. Yeah, okay. Okay, so payload tile. Let's check out the resource. It doesn't even have a what do you call a script? It's just tile entity, which is crazy. Here, let's just okay. Let's look for payload tile. Emit signal payload tile. Payload tile size, payload tile source. Okay, right. Okay, so if I'm the server, right. I don't have the setup for the client yet, dude. Also, I feel like my hair, like I was looking at it, like I took a shower like fucking like an hour ago. Dude, my hair is getting too e-boyed. I gotta keep me looking slightly bad, dude. If I have an e-boy haircut, that's bad for my brand, dude. It's getting a little too floofy. I don't know how to fix it though, because I don't want to use hair product. Like, no thanks, man. Okay, so ghost tile to wait for server act. Right. Okay, so. Okay, so the way that this is gonna, like, I'm just trying to remember the way that I wanted this to work, and I'm pretty confident that it's basically a request, and then I work for the act to come back from the server as to which tile it's supposed to be, right? And then we're supposed to do the tick back then, right? So, you know, I think that's probably correct, dude. Ooh, a barber? That's not gonna help me, bro. That doesn't help. Like, okay, look. Every time I go to a fucking get a haircut, the guy is always like, dude, we gotta get you a fucking low taper fade with a fringe, and I'm like, no, man, we don't have to do that. We don't have to do that, actually. That would make me look so much more like an e-boy, and that's the opposite of what we want. Okay. Okay, so server request place tile. This is what we gotta look at. Great. Fucking all right. Thank you. Right. It's in here. Yeah, okay. Wait, nope. Yeah, this is it. Okay. So this is the one where I check the thing. This is on call local. Yeah, okay. Okay, so first we emit the signal to place our ghost tile. So this is like this would be like the conveyor that doesn't work, right? Europe is way more expensive, but at least they're doing their job. I mean, he does his job. It's just that he wants me, or she wants me to get a fucking, like, some Gen Z shit, dude, okay? In which I would have to, like, blow dry my hair and style it and, like, heat treat it. No thanks, man. No fucking thanks, man. I'm good with a cool pushover like that. Even if it balds me. Fucking whatever, man. I'd rather be bald than have to do whatever the fuck people do for their hair every day. No thanks. Okay, so what does this do? Who are you? So we get the remote center ID. If I cannot place the tile, then I overwrite place tile. Okay. So then else we need to. What does this do, also? Is question number 2. Oh, nothing. Okay, that's good. Also, I'm in UI preview? I didn't remember request place tile. Oh. Oh, okay. Whatever. Sure, it's chill. Mr. Gen Omega. Why did we switch from, like... Oh, I guess because we hit Z. Why are my, like, millennials Gen Y? Why was it Gen X, and then like millennial, and then Gen Z? Like, also, why was it Boomer, and not Gen W? That'd be fire, dude. Yeah, I'm Gen W, bro. Okay, so can place tile. This doesn't do anything yet. Do I have? Okay, hold on. Let's. Ah, okay, so I was in the middle of writing these down. Okay, cool. So authority tile placed and authority overwrite place tile. I gotta figure this out, like, dude. The people who watched the last VOD and then are coming to this one, dude, they're fucking, they're just like, they already left, dude. Guys, being consistent is so hard. You know, I remember at one point I was like, you know what's more important than being consistent is making good content. And then you know what it's like really thought about is that I uploaded on Lugswo daily for like fucking 9 years straight, and that's where all my viewers came from. So maybe consistency is way more important than making good content. maybe the real friends we made along the way was consistently streaming and uploading. Okay, so I mean, realistically speaking, in my mind, shouldn't I just do the same thing, but I just call not authority over, I just call authority tile placed? Also, I just realized, oh no, okay, wait, hold on. Wait, this is, okay. Server underscore request place tile means that it is a client only call. Or it sends it to the server. So call local is true, but any peer is also true? Why? I don't know. What was the point of this naming convention, dude? Dude, I gotta fucking... I think realistically speaking, I should actually just program off stream. That's what I really should do. Like I would work on this so much more if I wasn't streaming, which is kind of a bad thing to say. But you know, it's definitely true. Lugswo Daily Origin Story fan. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, dude. Like most people from my chat are. There's like a couple. Like Celogen isn't. Like Evicting Single Mothers isn't. I think Cappy isn't. I think that's it though. It looks so cursed. Look, man. Look, man. Okay. What about it? Okay. What's up, my bros? How's it going, man? Okay. 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 Let's just take a look here at what's going on. Why don't these work, first of all? Oh, tile doesn't exist. Oh, because I don't have it. Oh. Okay, here. There, fixed. I fixed her, chat. I fixed her. What up is suffering, dude. I'm trying my hardest to remember what I was doing, what's happening. It looks like events, but they're not. Yeah, they're not. No, these are RPC calls. They're not events. There's no reason for I mean, I guess you could do this through events, but I don't need to. Okay. Also, I don't know how C# events work, which I probably should learn, but like, should probably learn a lot of things. Okay. Like one thing I actually really need to do is I need to learn. What's it called? Unreal networking, just a little bit. Like I gotta just take like an Unreal networking class or something, because every fucking guy ever is making games on Unreal now, man. No one cares about Unity anymore. No one cares about custom engine anymore. I mean, they do, but like everyone's making a game in UE5 now, man. And fucking everybody. And I kind of gotta get on that, dude, because you know everybody be doing it. Okay, so this is if not server. Okay, so yeah, okay. So this is only callable like clients. I guess there's no like call if not client, right? So that's fair, I guess. And again, the server is gonna obviously be the one that has less lag. Like if the server places down and the client places them at the same time, server's gonna win. That's just how it works, yeah. And then request play. Okay, right. So okay. No, never mind. This is the signal for the thing. This is just. Oh, why is it server underscore then? I just don't know, man. Guys, should we react to my old stream to figure out why I called it this? This is a good idea, don't you think? Okay, so I get the sender ID, and this is just for authority place tile. Except it's not. Oh no. Oh, RPC ID. Dude, I'm so lost, chat. I'm more lost than I've ever been in my fucking life, dude. I'm wandering in the woods alone as a child, lost in this world, dude. Okay, you know what? It's time. Look, we're just gonna pull it up for a second, okay? Just one moment. All right, because I genuinely I don't know what's going on, okay? Look, it's old Lugswo chat. Why does it look like? Is it just me, or do I look like way more alive right now on my stream? Like my skin color looks way more alive, dude. Am I crazy? Okay. Where's the end is when it's happening, right? So I think we're gonna probably... Like, am I crazy, dude? Am I crazy, or like, are the colors totally different? No, I haven't changed anything. I haven't touched my stream setup in like fucking forever, dude. Yeah, I know. I look like I'm dying, dude. Yeah, I should place that goes down every time, no matter what. Place that goes down every time, no matter what. Okay. Well, I'm already. What am I doing here? Okay. Am I just checking? So now, what am I doing here? What's happening? UI preview. Yo, let's go back a little bit. Why am I just playing melee? What? What? What happened? Why? And I think that's basically calculated by... Oh, I think I might be explaining netcode, or rollback netplay, or netcode. I think, maybe. Did I lose this game? I think I lost. Why don't I play another one? Bro! 4 frames, but that's if you have a perfectly steady ping, and you have absolutely no input, or like no packet drop, right? So I think it might just be because it's nighttime in this. Maybe when it's nighttime, I look like I'm dying. I guess fucking Sheik too. Okay, can we... Alright, so I played that. I've never seen it go up, I don't think, but... I think... And I do nothing for like fucking 40 minutes. Jesus fucking dude. No wonder nothing gets done in this fucking stream, man. Okay. Here's me writing the code for this, at least. Except I do nothing for 30 minutes, dude. This is crazy, chat. Chat, this is insane. To get to this call. And the worst part is also, by the way, like, testing this on my own. Okay, yeah. I'm like complaining and fucking Bing chilling. Okay. You know what? This is not helping me whatsoever. Fucking. It's gonna take too long. I think if I just look at the code for longer, we'll figure it out. No, this is all multiplayer, Sergey. It's different. Okay, when you're doing multiplayer, you can't just separate the logic. It's all connected and paired and it's coupled and it's horrible. Okay. This one's not on me. All right. Okay, so... How can I do multiplayer without coupling the code? It doesn't make any sense. If you can explain that to me, then I would like, you're like fucking a genius, man. It's impossible. I mean, okay, it's technically possible, but it would be horrible to do that way. If you just had all of your netcode in its own library that like just like separated it out, that'd be horrible, dude. Like you would have so much more overhead code just for like nothing. Okay, so this is always called oh no, server RPC. Okay. That's what's happening. Right. This is okay. Right. So this is only sent to the server. That's why it's called server underscore. I'm just fucking blind and bad, dude. Okay. So now this is sent to the server. The server checks if it can place a tile. If it can't, it gets the current or gets whatever tile is there, and then it RPC IDs it to the other guy. This one needs to not be RPC ID. It just needs to be RPC, and then like that. That's right. I remember now. It's all coming back, baby. It's all coming back, chat. Okay. I'm membering. What's up, Sent? How's it going? Okay, so then authority tile placed is the one that always does it. That's right. Yeah. Okay. It's making sense. And then authority overwrite place tile is the one to specifically tell the guy who just placed a tile that his tile needs to change. Right. It's all coming back, baby. UI neck in the same place. I mean, they don't have to be. These could be separated, I guess. I just didn't put them in a different. Like, there's no UI actually in here. It's just called UI preview. Like, maybe should I move these out? Maybe, but I don't actually know if I can. Actually, well, I mean, I'm sure I could, but the way that the Godot RPC stuff works, this method name dot thing, I think it only works if it's in the same. Yeah, in this class, right? So I can't actually separate them because it's just how it is. I mean, maybe I mean, okay. I guess I could separate them more, and I could have this, like, you know, the function calls, like, all of them in a different place, and I could do that, but, but like, meh, you know what I mean? Like, meh. Who cares? It's not that coupled. It's not like, it's, like, I see what you mean now. It's not that bad, okay? I promise. I swear. Okay. So, yeah, I think this is actually correct. Like, the logic I have here now is correct. All right, we're making so much progress, chat. We're getting so fast. Yeah, method name's a C-sharp specifically, I think, because, I mean, I don't actually know how this thing works. I really have no idea. I don't know even why it's cached. Can I need a string name method, but can I just like, if I just put in whatever, does it work? I have no fucking clue. To be totally honest with you, I got no idea. I don't think the multiplayer in GDS would be that much better. I mean, maybe, but like not really that much better. Okay. Okay, so tile place and override place tile. So these ones are just in, like, so I need to call. No. Wait, hold on. Okay, let's do this. So my original idea. So I have this guy, right? Payload tile, and I think what I was originally planning on doing was having this tile turn into the tile that I wanted to turn into. But I kind of don't see a reason to do that when I could just instead break it and place a new tile down, right? Like, yeah. I don't know, maybe. The only thing payload tile needs to do is turn into the tile temporarily. Like, it needs to look like it, right? So like if I place a conveyor down, it needs to not actually work, but it needs to turn on, right? That's what we need to have happening right now. But I don't think it actually needs to do anything else. So let's work first on authority tile place, okay? Because this is the one that's actually like more important. Yeah, my Godot is out of date. I don't want to update my engine. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Unless they add something crazy, like kooky crazy that I need. I don't want to update. I mean, I know that they did add some stuff for 3D, but this isn't Unity updating is safer. I don't think updating is safe in any software. Like, there's a reason why Node.js still updates and bug fixes like version like 2. Yeah. I don't think it's ever good to update anything when you're working in software production, just generally speaking. Like, I'm sure Godot is better about it, but I'm just saying, you know. What if they just randomly deprecate tile scene sources like they said they want to? Then I'm fucking boned, man. I die. Okay, so this is called remotely only by the current multiplayer authority. Yes. Okay. As UUIDs. Oh, for functions and stuff? That'd be okay, I guess, but again, just schmeep, dude. Updating is scary, alright? Someone sent me a long time ago, or not a long time, like a couple months ago, some video about Godot 4.4, and they were like, "It's the best update ever." Clickbait title. I didn't fucking click that shit. No thanks, man. I'm good. I'm good. Okay, so wait, hold on. So I need to. The tile is there. But this is being called on everyone. Oh, okay, let's just do this. I'm gonna just have this. Yeah, let's just test this really quickly, okay? Because I think what should happen here is at least it should on both clients place down my payload tile. That's what it should do. I think, maybe. I don't fucking know. Okay, so if I place down this is the client. Hold on, this one. Hiya. Okay, Jesus, dude. All right. Okay. What the fuck happened, man? What? Fuck it. We're just gonna try again. Okay. I'm just gonna believe that wasn't real. Okay. Hello, Cappy. Hey, Dad. Mom has been thinking about you all week. Please come back. Also, Mom has had a strange man come by. I didn't even come to stream, and you think I'm gonna come home? Okay. This is the host. Place a tile. Fucking awesome, man. All right. It's only on session 2. Session 2. I don't know which one this is. What? Why though, dude? Why? I don't understand. How did this break randomly, dude? I didn't change this. I haven't changed this at all. What happened? No, Seljan. The way that my sessions are created is I press H and C randomly on them, so it's a mystery. Yeah. Like they don't auto connect currently. I press H for host and C for connect or client. You know what I mean? Like it's not really like it helps. Well, okay. I should say I know which one is which in here. This is the host because I pressed H on this one, but I don't know in here which one is which. Okay, hold on. Let me figure out what the fuck's going on, man. So it's failing the for each thing, which is fucking weird. Oh, does it? What call do I click? How do I get it? How is it failing? Like, it's failing on move next, invalid operation. Wait. Online CS. Oh yeah, okay. It's how? What? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Why? Wait, why? What do you mean? What do you mean? How is my for each failing? It doesn't even make sense, dude. Okay, hold on. Okay. I'm gonna press host and then I'm gonna press connect, okay? Okay. On the host, I press this. Okay. Session 1. Okay, so I assume session 1 is the one that opens first. I'm just gonna, I mean, I don't know if that's correct, but. Is it because I sent it to myself and it's like freaking out now? Well, no. It doesn't matter. Like, whether or not this code works or not. How is my for each failing? Is my question. How is it failing? Okay, hold on. I have another question. Excuse me, curse forward. I'm gonna close you actually. Get fucked. Let me try this. If I click this, does it also freak out on the other one? No. No. Okay. Wait, trying to call an RPC. Oh, did they die? Did they DC? No. Oh, they did. Wait, what? Boys. I'm connected one way? Oh, no, I'm connected one way because it's dying here. Right, okay. Yeah, I'm not changing the sequence. I DQ here for a reason. I mean, I guess let's make sure it wasn't the first error. Yeah, the first error. Oh, collection was modified. Illumination operation may not execute. Yeah, all this does is ping minus equals X, dude. That's it. That's fucking it, man. What? I just can't. I thank you, bot, but I just can't. Why? No, they're not the two. These don't change. They don't change the list. This is just a queue. The only thing that changes the queue is adding DQ. I mean, okay, I guess maybe. Where does this get added? RPC ID packets not in queue. node.rpc ID. Wait. Guys, this is, I swear, guys. Normally goes better than this, chat. I promise. I swear. normally, the stream goes better than this, okay? You gotta believe me, chat, alright? I guess it's maybe in queuing it also. Wait, but that doesn't make any sense, dude. That doesn't make any sense. How does this even work? Packet.node.rp. No. Okay. This is the real RPC ID. That's why. It doesn't requeue because this is the real one. No. It does not enqueue or dequeue any packets in here. I mean, I guess there's a chance that... Do I not have a mutex for this? I feel like I'm supposed to have a mutex for this. Do I have any mutexes anywhere? Mutex. No. Okay, that's good. That's really good to know that I have no mutexes in my thread unsafe code. That's fucking awesome, chat. That's fucking swag. Is there a thread safe collection? Hello, insert cat puns. Yes, code. Yeah, it's really delicious. My eyes are Is there a thread safe C# thread safe queue? No. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. I got the streamer recommendations at 1 AM. Brother, I don't know, man. But you know what? We take those, dude. The YouTube algo just be sending my shit, you know? I'm what am I to say but to accept it? One AM gang. Is it 1? In, I guess, +1 GMT. Concurrent queue? Is that a thing? Concurrent queue C#? What are you? 3 for me? Dude. Dude, what? Okay. I streamed earlier, and instead of like going like my YouTube going like, oh, let's send a stream to like, you know, East Coast US, which is like, you know, 6 PM. They just got off work. Nah. Let's ship it to fucking what do you call? The middle of nowhere Europe, dude. That's way better. Oh, PM. Oh, dude. Dude, a fellow West Coaster? That's crazy. Why don't you use documentation before Google? What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm just trying to figure out what you are. A thread safe first in, first out collection? But, okay. Do I gotta do anything special? No? I can just do it? Fuck it, dude. We just do it then. Alright, hold on. Hold the phone. Concurrent queue. Oh, collections not concurrent. Bruh. Okay. Look, guys, I'm a real genius. Oh, I don't. You think I'm gonna look at the list of collections, dude? What am I, a nerd? Oh yeah, you're. How do I say your name? Yehor? That sounds like a bad, like, I'm gonna get like demonetized for saying that. No. Well, thank you for the sub, my dude. I appreciate it. Okay, whatever. Does it work now? Okay, whatever, dude. Does it work now? I don't know if I didn't like, if I just didn't do that shit or what. There's no DQ. What the fuck is there then, motherfucker? Is that why it's thread safe? Because it doesn't work? Wait. Are you for real? It's just called thread safe because there's no way to remove the items? Oh, try DQ. Okay. Try DQ. It's always safe if you just leak the memory. Use AI. Yeah, should I become a vibe coder? Would that be a good what do you call? Would that be good? Oh. Okay, sure, whatever, man. I think my brain is a vibe code. Like, my brain is just vibe coding on, like fucking constantly. Like. So this can fail, but I don't care about that right now. I'm just gonna run it and see what. I mean, I gotta run the other one. I'm gonna just run it and see what the fuck happens. Okay. Guys, should I send this? Should I send this stream to employers, like recruiters? You think they'd be like, "Damn, this guy's really fucking. He's really fucking smart. He like just understands, dude. He's like a vibe coder on crack." Okay, so as it turns out, I just had to do that. Okay, fucking all right. I mean, honestly, I should probably just use a queue and then have it. What do you call? I should probably just use a queue and then do like, you know, my good stuff with mutexes, because mutexes are like kind of better. I have to hallucinate 20 lines of code for fun, dude. I haven't actually used Claude like recently. I haven't used AI to like try to program like basically since they like announced it. Kinda. I remember I tried to have it. I tried to have it. What was my first thing? It was like I wanted to upload, because this is back when TikTok didn't let you upload a scheduled video. So I had to wake up at fucking 9 and click my mouse, or like I wrote a program to click my mouse at the beginning of. Like I just had to, you know, it was just spinning and waiting for the clock to hit 9, and then it would click my mouse. I would just leave my mouse over the upload button. But then I remember I tried ChatGPT, create me a script to upload to TikTok, and it just hallucinates all the fucking API endpoints. It doesn't work at all, dude. It doesn't do fucking anything. Anyways, regardless, it placed it on the client, but not on myself. Oh, that's because okay, hold on. So if I place it on here, there are 100 million errors. No errors, at least. That's fucking swag. Okay. Hey. Hey, no errors. That's good. Look, we made progress, chat. Tried it, made something they sucked, move on. Yeah, that's how I felt. Every time I try to use AI to code, it almost always just takes longer to integrate, or it's buggy, or it thinks about some Python library that doesn't exist. And I've just had a bad time, man. I don't know. I'm sure the proprietary ones, like I know Google has an AI that's trained like on their code base, because they're like fucking crazy, right? Oh wait, can I just do this? Ah, okay. Right, I can do the special discard. Man, C# got all these things that I just like. Oh man, it's almost like it's almost like if you like. I mean, to be fair, this is like the thing that like watching a tutorial on like a script, like any language in general is good on. Like, can I write code in C#? Yes, the same way I can write code in Python. But the amount of things that I don't know about like good things in Python is like crazy, dude. Like, I remember when I was at my job. I would write Python code, and like the seniors would just like to fucking cry looking at it, which I agree it's bad, and they would show me all this new stuff, you know. But yeah, we need to have this. If it fails, it just has to try again. Which I mean, I mean, I guess I could just keep trying. I guess I could just spin. It's like it shouldn't be that bad. I think technically speaking, using a mutex would be better, but you know, whatever, man. So we just gotta do while this. Can I just semicolon? This is horrible. This is a horrible piece of code right here. This is horrendous, chat. do the job, okay? It'll do the job. So can I really say it's that bad? I don't think so. In college I was doing CS, but I'm switching to MIS instead. What is MIS? Something informational systems, I assume. I mean, I don't like 2 years ago, I was like, guys, go do CS. It's the only way you get a job. Nowadays, though, kind of changed my fucking mind, bro. Nowadays, it's a little rough out there, dude. Now I just, whenever someone asks me what they should do for college, if they want a job that's going to be stable, I say they should just go into be a nurse. Like, I mean, will your life suck? Probably, yeah. But like, I feel like there's always a shortage of nurses, like constantly. Like, has there ever been a time in human history when they haven't? Management information system? So like, wait. I don't know, maybe real with you. I don't really understand, like, I guess the difference between that and CS. Like, is it like, because like in my mind, if like, okay, just going off of like the words, management information system to me is like working on Workday or Salesforce, but that's also just programming, right? I mean, I don't know. I didn't really look into college degrees when I got mine. I just read like, dude, I gotta get a CS degree because I'm fucking, you know. Well, actually, I tried originally to get a design degree, but as it turns out, game design kind of fucking sucks, dude. Now I say that while I'm, you know, making a game on my own and currently doing game design, but like, whatever. It's cool when I do it, okay? It's not cool when I gotta make it for someone else, man. I just make my cool own game and it's like fucking swag, right? Okay, so when I'm the server, right? When I'm the server, I server request place tile. Then in here, I call authority tile placed, which then should just emit the signal. And this is not call local. Okay, I guess this should just be call local. What if I just do that? Does it work? Is it chill? Is it being chilling? What's up, Victor? Came out as bad to my mom. Oh, nice. Congrats, man. I mean, I guess considering your use of :D, capital D, you know, congrats. It could be something different, but oh, right. I need to run it through here, right? Best stream when you do cool shit. When's the last time I did cool shit, Chad? Have you looked at this? Come on. I haven't worked on gameplay or like a feature in like forever, dude. Okay, so now. Okay. I'm a genius. I'm the best, the greatest programmer alive. I gotta OP. I'll be back in a second. Ugh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I did fix UI. Well, it's not UI. It's more like, I guess, gotta make it so that it looks right. Because it just, you know, as it currently says, it says, fuck you. Right? Which is, I would argue, not optimal. May I ask what drugs.tress is? What do you mean? It's drugs. It's my CVS drugs, dude. What's the big deal, man? What's wrong with little drugs? This is back when I had a different plan for my game, because currently it's going in a pretty different direction. Maybe I'll keep the drugs though. I don't know. Maybe we keep some cool drugs, yeah. Yeah. No one told me about the meth mod for my game, dude. Nobody tell me about that. Nobody tell me about the Lugswo meth mod. Okay, so why? Was there a reason for call local to not be true? I think it's probably because I'm trying to think. Why was it not call local just by default? I gotta, it really makes you think. Lots to consider. I don't really see a reason for this not to be call local. Because it kind of just should be. Yeah, okay, whatever. I think I just didn't put it there. It's chill. You wish someone tells me about Drag Factory? What the fuck is Drag Factory? Like RuPaul's Drag Factory? I've never watched that show, by the way. I haven't watched anything, dude. Dude, I watched Breaking Bad last year. Was it this year? It might have been this year. I haven't watched shit, dude. I don't know fucking anything. My media literacy is at like an all-time low, dude. I'm behind on games too. Like, dude, fucking what's the new game? Claire Obscure Expedition 33. By the way, terrible fucking name for a game. How the fuck am I supposed to remember that shit, man? But I don't even know what that is, and like everyone's fucking hyping it. Like same with the Oblivion remaster. I mean, I never played Oblivion ever. So maybe I'll play that one, but I don't know, man. I think it's the real reason I didn't know about that game is because it has the nudity tag, and I have all those hidden on Steam, so I don't get fucking bombarded with, you know, my shit. Oh right, okay. So right. Okay, so tile size. This doesn't need to be here apparently. Yeah, I don't know why this is here, but whatever. It's chill. Has anyone played it or looked into it? I have no idea. Like, is it good? I mean, I have to assume it's okay because of how many people that have just been hyping the fuck out of it. Like, fucking every guy ever is like, it's the best game ever. It's like it's fucking I'd suck its dick. It's like, from what I understand, it's a turn-based RPG. Like, I'm sure it's cool. It's smooth, cinematic, kind of like Persona. I don't know if I would consider Persona smooth or cinematic, to be honest with you. I think Persona, like, I don't even know if people like the gameplay of Persona. I think more people like the fact that you can date the hot mommy teacher more than anything. I mean, you know, I didn't play for that long, but I just kind of assumed. Gameplay kind of like Persona. Okay, so it's wait, so it's just, well, isn't Persona kind of like Pokemon? I mean, I didn't super duper play Persona. It's just too long, man. Like, Persona's one of the only games I ever played where I was just like, Jesus, man, this game is so fucking long, dude. I just like, I can't get through all of it. Okay, so authority overwrite place tile. This one needs to just delete whatever tile I'm on, because this is only being sent to the guy that placed the tile down. This is gonna be hard to test, by the way. Like, I really need to, what do you call, I need to make it so that this, what do you call it, like, I need to have tests, right? Because I have currently no tests for anything. and we gotta do tests, okay? Like, normally speaking, like, whenever I do indie game dev, just, like, on my own, I don't do any tests, okay? No test-based development, okay? Like, now, do I know that that's, like, a good idea and you should do it? Sure, but I don't, okay? I gotta do it for this game. If I ever want this to, like, have it work, right? Glad to hear, my dude. I mean, I've heard a lot of stories of it going badly. Especially with, like, you know, more religious folks and stuff, but I'm glad that it worked out for you. Although I feel like buy is, like, that's not too bad, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like I don't know too many people who are like, oh, my buy child, I gotta fucking kill him now. Like, you know. Okay, so this one, I just need to break the tile and then place the new one. So I guess we'll just call this still, because it's, oops, don't do that, please. Dude, I haven't, you know, actually, hold on. You know what I gotta do? I'm pushing on my GitHub right now. I haven't pushed in so fucking long. just gonna do one of these. One of these. Okay. Yeah, 506 insertions. That's actually not that much. If you really think about it, 506 lines of code added since, like, last year. Dude, I'm fucked, dude. I have like 20 games in my library, but instead of playing those, I just play Celeste. Dude, I feel like that's like, everyone's got their one game. Except I have like 400 games in my Steam library instead of 20. So I'm a little bit on the worst side. You know, what can I say, dude? I have 400 games in my Steam library. Yeah, every time you go to my fucking Twitch channel and you look at the recent games played, there's like 5. So, yeah, I don't know why I passed in tile size. I don't know why I need that, but whatever, it's chill. So then, I need to, okay, so can I call break tile here? No, okay, how do I break tile? Break. Tile inv.break tile. Okay, this one, emit signal tile entity removed. Okay. Wait, int.vec and scale? Oh. Oh, Ray, I forgot. This doesn't work, dude. Oh. Okay, yeah. Oh, 29 meaning to play. Okay, that sounds more reasonable. I think I have 20 games in my Steam library that I bought within the last year that I haven't opened yet. So yeah. Every day I think to myself, oh, I'll stream, guys, variety stream, and then I open Create Above and Beyond, or then everyone says, what if you played Divine Journey 2 instead of like a new game? Look, my chat is half to blame for this, okay? Hey Lugswo, I'm sorry I wasn't in stream earlier, even if I asked for it. Okay, this is like the worst. I don't even know if this works. I'm gonna be real with you. If I place a splitter down, I don't even know if you can remove it. Dude, I gotta make tests, dude. We gotta do some tests. I think I might do tests off stream. I think that's what I'm thinking about. Cause like writing tests on stream, like, it's really boring. Now, I will say that I need to stream more, so maybe I should stream it anyways, but like, dude. But like, dude, you know what I mean? This is horrible. Okay. Right, okay. So we need to get this done. And then, okay. Actually, you know what? Actually, tile size here is good. I actually need that. That's for real. Okay. So we do both of these. I mean, technically this will work off, like, off the board. It'll work. But I also need to do some other stuff. Like, I think I also need to... I mean, okay, what I actually need to do is I need to just have... I don't know why this isn't... Like, this just needs to be... Like... This needs to be a function. Because I need all of this to kind of happen, actually. You know what I'm saying? Like... I kind of need all this to, like, just to happen, period. So... Okay, but think about this. What if instead of testing it and like figuring out that it doesn't work, I don't do either of those. You think about that before? Fucking like, and then it's like Schrodinger's bug. Maybe it works. If nobody does the very simple task of putting an item down and breaking it, you know, it's fine. Yeah, that's right. We speedrun that. Yeah, it's rough evicting. I mean, yeah, I don't know. Like, I'm so glad that I don't have to deal with any of that kind of stuff because it's horrible. Okay, I'll write tests eventually. Okay, I will. I think I'm gonna have to write my own. Well, I'm sure Godot, either built in or a plugin that someone else wrote, has some sort of testing suite that I can use, and maybe I will. That just seems like a good idea. That's right. As long as, like, think about this: if you just don't run the game and you just buy it, you just buy it. It's chill, right? Yeah, I gotta do this. No, I have to do... Well, okay. No. I should have to do... Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I know I should do all of the other stuff, but, like, what if I just didn't? You ever think about that before? You ever just think about that before? Break. What's my looking for? Tile entity removed. Here. Okay, there we go. And then, actually, okay, so I gotta do tile entity var tile equals get tile... Tile entity manager get. Wait, no. I'm stupid. I'm dumb as fuck. Let's not do that. Yeah. Wait. When does it remove the item in my inventory? I have no idea. Got an ad for Minecraft movie Lego? Oh, like the set. Okay, I thought you meant they were making another movie already, and it was gonna be the Lego Minecraft movie. And I was like, dude, that's... I mean, I guess that would have been better than the real one. Google gut Godot unit test. Gut Godot unit test. Well, no, I know they're working on a sequel, dude. It made fucking $20 trillion. Of course they're gonna make a sequel. Oh, it's like good. Okay, we'll keep this. I'll throw this on my time. Maybe I'll set it up on stream, but I'm probably not gonna run all the tests because tests just like it's so boring, dude. Writing tests is so boring. I think writing tests is like possibly the most boring thing you can ever do as a software engineer ever. Okay, it's so ass, dude. Now, I say that after not doing anything for 20 minutes, which is why nothing in this game ever gets fucking done. But, like, whatever, man. Okay. Yeah, we don't have to do this. I need to figure out where I add the item, though. Like, or remove the item from my inventory, because I actually have no fucking clue. Is there no Google AI or YouTube AI in my chat to tell you what's been happening? You don't separate business? No! Even if my code was perfect, writing tests would make me want to die. Okay, let's just... I mean, I don't even know I'm running it. There's no reason to test. It already worked. I know this... I can't test this right now. Like, that's the biggest problem, is that because I would have to place down a tile on both clients at the same time, which I can't do. So I eventually have to, you know, do something else. But... like, I have... Okay, so the other goal that I had in here was to, this is the wrong one. This one. Create fake multiplayer client for testing purposes. So this is one that just, like, it just runs, like, my inputs back into the game so I can, you know, try to test stuff, kind of. But realistically speaking, these need to just be tests. I just have to make the tests, so... I think I'm just not gonna do this for now. Like, this will be cool later, but we don't need it right now, right? This is, like, it's whatever. It's chill. So I think I'm just gonna avoid that for now. I think I'm just gonna hold off. Okay, we're gonna hold off on that, and we're gonna start working on this because this is like hard. And then what I actually have to do? Can I get a new song? No fucking Lily Cove City. Okay. I think that's copyrighted also, dude. I started getting copy strike for random game songs, dude. My Nintendo game song library is no longer safe, man. Yeah, I know that's what they do, but it doesn't make them fun, okay? Just like if I'm building a house in Minecraft, putting torches everywhere to make sure creepers don't blow it up isn't fun, but it also makes it so that my shit don't get fucking squeaked on, right? So like, oh, I guess actually technically, I didn't actually make anything work yet. So let's do that first. You know, as it turns out, wait. Hold on, never mind. Oh, I gotta retest. Wait, okay, hold on. HC. Okay. Oh. Okay, we gotta fix that part. This is the part that doesn't work. If we fix this... Oh, right, I don't have deleting to... Gotta do a couple things. Alright, we gotta... we gotta do a couple things, okay? We gotta do a few things, okay? Oh, actually, hold on. I want to check something here. So if I put this down... Okay, that's bad. It's not good. Oh, it's also laggy. That's also not good. Oh, wait. Oh, I can test it. Look, it works. It works because I can't place the tiles there. It's working. It's working. Yeah, I know that my thumbnail is a little clickbait. Okay, I'm aware that I did paste the PNG of Factorio into my thumbnail, but like, dude, what do you want from me? Okay, what am I gonna make a good thumbnail? Look. Okay, let me show you what happens when I try to make a good thumbnail. All right, look. I do a test run, and then it's the worst one. It's like slightly better than the shitter one. And then worse than the even shitterer one. Okay, and then I use it anyways, cause fucking I put too much work into it. Okay, I refuse. Anyways, so it does work, but the reason why it's lagging on the server is because I have fake ping, so it's like it doesn't count. Okay, it doesn't count. It's okay, but 31, how's it going, man? Okay. Oh. Okay, yeah, I made the video. Isn't it crazy? I did it. Night Child. The secret is the color of my shirt. What secret? The secret to... The secret to what? Being a good programmer? Because it's not working if that's the case. Secret of success is to wear a blue shirt. I don't think it's working. Oh, yeah. Phoebe Joe? Fabejo? Thanks for the follow, man. Oh, I just got raid. Where's my raid? Dude, I didn't realize. It didn't. Yeah, I see. It didn't work, dude. Where's my fucking button? Hello? Okay, there you go. Okay, I see. Okay, dude, it didn't work, okay? I didn't realize that you raided. That's my B, dude. It didn't work. Thanks for the raid, dog. Holy fuck, man. Wait, it did? Dude, I think I'm just dying. I don't know what to tell you, man. Like... Dude, I slept for like 12 hours today. I woke up and I still felt like fucking dog, dude. Did not help me whatsoever. 0%, dude. Anyways, welcome Raiders to the stream. You food Lugswo. Dude, I've needed a reboot since like fucking 8 years ago, man. Like, come on. Refund. I played it twice, okay? Like, what can I say? I'm sorry, that's my V, okay? I didn't hear the noise, and I don't know, I just, look, okay? Like, you've rated a streamer with brain damage, alright? I'm sorry to tell you that this is the way that you have to learn, but... How was your stream, man? What am I doing again? What's happening? Oh, yeah, okay. We gotta make so that on the client side, it works. Because currently the tiles are just kind of flooping out and they say fuck you and it doesn't do anything, right? So, I guess technically speaking, I just have to do this again, right? That sucks, man. Loudly beatboxing, how can you not hear us? I got nothing, dude. I was trying to get somewhere, and look, man. I'm trying to use like all the last couple brain cells in here to figure out what I'm doing, and I'm failing at that, so it's rough, dude. One side always works. Not in this stream. No. let me tell you, not in this stream. Just like 5 minutes ago, it was working on either side. It was crazy. I mean, I could just do this on both. Like, if I just, I mean, but that's like stupid. That doesn't make any sense, dude. If I just do this, it doesn't make any sense. It's like, what's the point? No. Okay, hold on. Let's think about this. Let's think about this realistically, okay? So, I guess, I mean, okay, so that's what the tile payload was supposed to be for. So I guess I should also just kind of explain what I'm doing. I'm so bad at explaining. Like, I get rated, and I'm just like, instead of explaining anything about what's going on my stream, I just don't. What can I say about I'm a genius content creator? I'm working on multiplayer Factorio roguelike, and currently it's very still obviously early in development. But I've got this payload tile that when I place it down, this needs to basically turn into the tile that I'm trying to place, because the server has to figure out or say yes, right? I'm doing fully host authoritative game because I kind of have to, or everything's gonna die. So yeah, that's the plan as of now. And I think this needs to, this needs to both take the sprite and, I mean, I guess just the sprite's chill. Yeah, it needs to take the sprite of whatever I'm trying to place down, and then it needs to actually turn into that thing. It needs to delete itself and turn into the payload, yeah. So, I think what I want to do, actually, is I do want to make it its own script. Because then it'll be easier to figure out all the texture stuff, right? It'll just be better, probably. Rather than just deleting it twice. Like, deleting it would be like, I don't know, it just doesn't seem like a great idea, right? Just deleting on both, like, I mean, I mean, again, what's the point then, right? Like, what's the fucking point, right? So, adios, my dude. Thanks for the raid. I'm also terrible at this, dude. Dude, I haven't gotten raided in so long. Like, I'm just terrible. Okay, chat. I'm just bad, okay? I'm bad at the whole content creation, like, networking side, alright? Okay, so this is the ghost tile, and then I call the RPC for requesting. Then, what even is this, dude? Previous tile placed? What even is this? What even are you? I don't even understand. Brother, as long as we can beta test your game, we ignore all the bad things. Isn't that bad, actually? If you beta test and don't, like, and don't report the bad, isn't that like the opposite of what a beta test is supposed to be for? Dude, I'm the worst beta tester, by the way. Every time I get into a beta test, I always like find all the bugs, and then I'm too lazy to make bug reports, so I just go shmeep shmop. I just have fun breaking it, you know what I mean? Okay, so in this is the one where I need to essentially find that tile and then have it work, right? That's what the poor devs believe, player beta test to have a free game. Well, I mean, look, I just gotta make a demo, you know? Look, people can pirate anything nowadays. It's not very difficult, especially like, okay, you know what's crazy? This is something I learned while I was researching this. The game Brotato, which is made in what do you call it? Godot? Look at this, bro. If you want to make a mod, you just go download the whole fucking thing, man. You just get the whole thing and unpack it, and then you get all the code. So, like, this game is, like, possibly the most piratable game ever, and it still made fucking $40 quadrillion, so, you know. No, it's not encrypted. Okay, to be fair, I think that to make a good modding API, just releasing the devs, or like the dev tools, is awesome. But you also do give out your whole game for free, so, you know, I don't fucking know, man. I think it's cool, though. I think, like, you know, making a real modding API is hard. Why not just release the source tools? Okay, so let's make a... Well, actually, but I can't get it after this. This is just gonna emit the signal, which means I don't actually get the tile, which is like horrible, dude. I don't get it until after, right? Oh, maybe I... Okay, let me just... I need to actually know. I don't actually know. Bar... Oh, yes. Uryan Singh? Thanks for the sub, man. Tile equals tile entity manager get tile entity. I just want to see if this is real or not. I kind of think it's not going to be... Oh, I guess I need to know. Okay. I have a feeling it's not going to work. I got to run it the other... Oh, but okay. I have to run it in here, and I have to close one, and then I have to connect on my Visual Studio one, because it's awful. That's why, guys, you should never be a fucking network programmer, guys. It's like horrible. Like horrible. What's up, ItCG? Factorio. Okay, I gotta remember what was my elevator pitch for this game that was like garbage. I had one, and now it's fucking gone. Okay. No, it's gone. I don't know. I think before I was saying it's like a tower defense. It's like balloons, but you're playing Factorio. But that's also like not true. That's just straight up not correct to say. Okay. This is probably fake, right? Yeah, it's fake, yeah. Which is annoying, because I gotta go pee. I'll be back in a sec, chat. Ugh, okay. Okay. My family's dog chewed up something specifically part of my headset. Dude, you got like a computer mic or a laptop mic? Drink, piss, repeat. Yeah, let's go to the first comment. That's a great idea. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, so this doesn't work is the problem because it doesn't actually place it yet because it's going by signal because I'm fucking evil and it's horrible. I think half of the complexity from this game comes from the fact that I tried to be a good boy and use Godot's stuff instead of just going fuck that and using whatever I want and making my own shit. If I just made my own shit, dude, this would be like legitimately 50 times easier. But unfortunately, I was like, oh, they got scene tiles. That seems useful. Let's try Godot. Maybe it's like useful. No. Fucking never making that mistake again. Okay. The worst shit ever. Try Godot. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. No. I guarantee you, like the way this whole system is so convoluted because of the way that the tile map system in general works. It's so garbage, dude. It's actually ass. Like whoever at Godot was like, oh yeah, let's make it so you can't just get the tile because they're fucking evil. They need to be shot, dude. Whoever thought that into existence, no. Okay, look, maybe for the normal tile, like Atlas, where it's just art, but for scenes, where like, clearly I'm gonna wanna get it, like, what's wrong with you, man? That's my rant. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. I mean, okay, to be fair, it's because I think that this is made for, it's made to use in here and not in the game, right? So maybe they shouldn't be shot, but like, they're evil, alright? Go full elite like carry bit and use Raylib and C. I mean, look, I'm a big fan of custom engine, you know. I like half of my projects are custom engine. Cause I don't know, man. I just love custom engine. I love building up my tech and then never using it to actually make a game. What can I say? I've made like 6 engines in my life. All of them like probably like I have made a game in them if I wanted to. Yes. Would it have been ass for a lot of them? Probably, yeah. But you know, I never did with any of them. Like years ago in my sophomore year of college, I had like that was when I first started doing a programming stream, and I had some garbage engine with like I could like have 50 Virizions from Pokemon on my screen, and I was like, this is swag, dude. Never did anything with that. And honestly, let's just be real here. This is probably also gonna happen, so you know. Never finishing a game in your engine is better than never finishing a game in Godot. That's yeah, yeah. Okay, what am I doing again? Right, so I placed the thing here, and then okay, right. So the biggest problem is that I don't have access to the current tile, and I can't get this. So how do I fix that? Like if I had access to the tile after this, like after I emit the signal, fucking everything would be hunky-dory, man. But it doesn't work that way because everything's fucking evil. Like everything's fucking evil, dude. So because it has to emit the signal. Okay, so this is some old Godot lore now that I'm talking about. This was like literally a year ago that I started working on this. The tile cell, like you can't get it. You physically can't. Godot does not. I mean, at least on the version I'm on, if you're using the tile scene atlas and using tile maps, you cannot get the scene of the tile ever. You just can't do it. So I had to build my own thing that keeps track of, like, I just have a dictionary of vector to tile. And in order to make it so that it passes through all my logic flows that it has to, I have to use the signal to place it in my thing. And then in this, I use another signal to pass to the actual tile entity map. And then it places this with set cell. So that's why I don't have access to it. And I have to go, it has to go through all this bullshit just to get there, because it's horrible. Well, how do I fix this then, dude? Is the real question. How do I fix this? I'm using a tile map. If I wasn't, it would be great. Tile map, this thing right here is the bane of my existence. This is the worst thing I ever chose to use. If I chose to not use this, my life would be so much better, dude. Oh, should I really be? Yes, you're right. I should not be. Yes, you're correct. Correct. I should not be. I 100% agree with you. But revamping everything and reworking everything would just take so long that I just don't really care. Okay, let me think. So I place this down. How do I pass data? Like I can't. Like there's no constructor or anything that I can pass into because it's fucking evil. I can't get it there. I can't get the current tile either. I mean, I could, but then there would be like, if you're running at a really low FPS, you could place the tile down and then switch to something else and it would break everything. So we can't do that. I mean, okay, there's plenty of ways I could do this that are terrible. Like I could just like hold a dictionary of vector to currently trying to place tiles. Like, yeah, I could do that. But that's also horrible. That's so horrible. that's horrible, man. That's horrible. Like I would really prefer to not have to do that. But I kind of don't see another way to do that. I mean, it's not that bad. It's just like, it sucks and it's cringe and it's like, why? It's just like, why, dude? You know what I mean? Okay. So this is fine. This is done. I think this is also mostly done. It's just this part that needs to be fixed. I mean, okay. Technically, wait, did I test this already? I don't remember if it works or not. Oh, no, yeah, it does. It does work. But I don't, oh, wait, no, it doesn't work. Right. No, okay. If I do this, I think technically this will work. It's just like, this is horrible, man. Like, yeah, it'll work, but it's so evil, dude. This is like top 10 most evil things you could ever do in the universe, man. Like, I don't wanna. It would be so bad. Oh, it doesn't even work. That's swag. Output is die? It's not even die. What do you mean? Hold on, clear the output. Yeah, but why? That doesn't even work? How does that not even work? Oh, I guess because it doesn't. Wait, how does that even work in the first place? Oh, it works in the first place because of this. Right, okay, yeah. This is so cringe, dude. Okay, we gotta do some brainstorming here. Because the fact that I don't have access to... The fact that I don't have access to it is actually a huge problem. Like, not being able to look at this and tell it what it's supposed to be is a problem, not only just for like the UI of the game to look correct, but it's also bad because like I can't even get the other thing to work, right? And especially like I mean it would work correctly, I guess, if I had ping, but if I have 0 ping or like low ping, then it's gonna not work anyway. So it's like triple fucking fall off, dude. It's horrible. It's fucking horrible, dude. Okay, audio send. I gotta go get water. My throat is parched, dude. I'm gonna get fucking kidney stones. Stay hydrated. Look, I don't even care about the like you know, your average like hydro homie guy who's like fucking they think drinking water will save their life. I'm not on that board. I just look. I'm so afraid of getting a kidney stone, dude. Especially because my diet is so bad. I eat like fucking dog shit every day. Like dude, it's not good. Okay, that's all I'm saying. Okay, let's think. How can I pass data to that tile when it exists? Because it's not on the same frame. I think... Well, it might be. It might be on the same frame, but just later. It could be. I don't know. And if that's the case, if it's on the same frame, but just slightly later, then... No, I don't... I don't know. Serializing would be horrible. No. This needs to be done on this in one frame. Like, what I could do is I could have... In the UI preview, I could make this like I think the current tile. I could make this a static, maybe, and then at the end of each frame. I mean, can I even do that without like complaining? I can. Maybe that's why I want to do it that way then. Okay, so maybe I didn't explain my idea well enough. This tile, the payload tile, this needs to essentially mimic the tile that I'm currently placing down, so that on the client side, like if I place a conveyor belt, it'll place the conveyor belt on my client. It won't actually do anything though. It'll just look like it. And then when the server says, okay, good job, you placed it, then I want to actually place it, right? Oh, I remember now. Okay. Or maybe I don't. Okay, no, I do remember. Okay, so I think what I wanted to do originally is, if the server is placing a tile down, always it should work, right? Like, there's no reason that there's no way a client should be able to overwrite the server. That's just like impossible. It's just like, that would be stupid as fuck, right? So I want the server to be able to place it down always. So I think this emit signal is for only not the server, and then in the server, actually, I am just going to emit the right signal. Okay, so server is always right. And then this is instead now tile size. Or no, tile source 0, tile source 1. Yeah, I was thinking about that too. So yeah, but that's like sucks. Like, I just don't want to deal with that. Like, that, it just sucks. So yeah, then in here, this server request place tile in tile placed. So if you can place a tile on the server, then this. Wait, hold on. Client side. I mean, maybe I should just do it on both. I don't know. It's like not even that much slower. Like, it's not even really that much slower. It just kind of sucks if I have it explode for no reason. So Shogun, using a game engine? Yeah, I'm using Godot. I mean, I would have loved to do custom engine, but you know, if I ever want to release anything, like here's the thing about it. If you want to release anything, like if you're actually genuinely planning on releasing something, you should not use a custom engine. I mean, realistically speaking, you should use Unreal Engine 5 probably, but like, I want to make a 2D game, and I've used Unity in the past, and I fucking hate using Unity for 2D games, man. You're just looking at a fucking stupid plane in the middle of the sky. It looks so dumb. Like, I don't know if Unity has a 2D mode now. They might, I don't know. If they do, maybe I would just switch, but, you know. What is Raylib? I actually have no idea. Raylib. Simple and easy to use library to enjoy video games programming. Am I getting copy strikes? I'm muting up. I changed my mind. Okay, I will say, it's kind of crazy that they have a test in their showcase, but oh, this looks swag, dude. This game looks swag as fuck. I think it's C. Blind spot. This game also looks cool. I mean, it's very tech demo looking stuff, mostly seemingly. I assume it's just like graphics programming, basically, right? No fancy interface, no visual helpers, no GUI. Okay, I lied. What does it do? What is Raylib? C programming language designed to be simple and easy to use. It provides a set of functions intended for graphics. Okay, so that is exactly. Honestly, I would have loved this as a kid. Like when I was in high school and I was programming, dude, fucking doing H instance, making your own window with GLFW. That shit is so lame, man. Like, just being able to like put graphic on screen and then do my stuff is great. I still think though that even if you use this, you're not like, unless you're really dedicated, you know, like if you have like a lot of time and you're really dedicated to it, then yes, anything's possible. But you know, if we're just being realistic about how lazy you are and like you're like a piece of shit like me, then it's never getting released, dude. I mean, have you looked at my stream schedule? Okay, so on the server, it always just places it. Authority tile placed is called to all, which makes sense. And I guess it's fine if the server just calls this twice. It's not that bad. But the problem is the client. And when the client calls it, something's already there, right? That's the big issue. Something is there. And also this doesn't work either, which is a problem. But I can fix this, I think. Oh, dude, this is so lame, man. So the problem is that on 0 ping, a lot of this is gonna break because I don't have access to it. If I just had access to the tile, everything would be so fine, dude. Like if I just could get it, everything would be so fine, bro. It would all work and be chill. But I can't, dude. I can't get it. It sucks. I can't. Or okay, I think it signals. They happen at the end of the frame, or probably either the end of the frame or the beginning of next frame. Like you're not gonna be able to do any logic in between the two. But I'm pretty sure that I can't get it during the frame, like in the same thing. Like if I emit a signal and I'm going through a function, even by the end of that function and the next function, I'm not gonna be able to get it. Like signals probably just happen at a different time than the process functions. So, dude, I've been doing so much yapping and so little has happened, dude. It's crazy. It's crazy. I mean, that would work so if this wasn't, like, if I had my own setup, but I don't. I mean, like, there's no way to event out from this, like. Or I would have to event for every tile place, which is, like, worse, right? Like, I just need the one I need. I just need the one that I need, bro. I mean... Okay, what I can do, at least in the short term, is in the ready function of this payload tile, I can grab the current tile from a static, and maybe there's a 1 frame bug, maybe, but like, am I really gonna fix that right now before anything works? Probably not. So I'm gonna detach and then reattach new script, payload tile CS. This needs to actually not go in here though. I mean, it is 1 by 1, but it needs to go somewhere else. This needs to go in like base, yeah. What a way to enter the stream, an entire script that tells me to piss off. Hey, it tells you to fuck off, okay? Very different. No, events just don't work because I'm using Godot. Like the way that my current system is set up using Godot, it's just, no matter, like, if I use an event, nothing would happen. Because again, it doesn't matter even if I could send a perfect signal, like because they happen at different times. It just doesn't work, which is it's more just bad, right? It's just bad that the way like it works this way. That's more than what I would say anything it is. It's just horrible. No, I know, but I'm saying that okay. No matter what I do currently in the system, the way that it works, I cannot get the information I want. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Like whether I use a signal or an event or anything, the code of the two things I want to have connect happen at different times, so it just doesn't work. Like I literally can't do it because the way that this works is garbage and it's trash. So that's what I'm saying. I think here the way that I want to set things up is, where's tile entity? Do I have it here? No, I'm evil. Okay. Okay, I would love to explain it, Sergey, but if I do, I'm never gonna get done with this. So we gotta just work on it, and you'll see why. Probably, maybe. Nothing ever happens in this stream, I think, dude. Nothing ever happens, just period. I think actually, except for when I got raided, that was pretty cool. And then I ignored him, and I fucking. I'm so good at being a streamer, chat. I'm definitely one of those like you know like there's a lot of streamers, like small streamers, that get raided by like Shroud or whatever the fuck, and then they like get 2,000 followers from the raid, and then nobody ever comes back. That's me, but not even with 2,000, dude. Like someone will raid me with like 30 viewers, and I get 1 follower. For the record, I'm not mad about that. I understand, you know. It's just how it is, man. it just is how it is, right? So how do I set this? How do I set the sprite? Sprite. This is how I set the sprite. Dude, that's horrible. Okay, whatever, man. You want to ruin your 666 follower count? Actually, true, dude. I don't even know what's been happening recently. Like, I gained like 7 followers. Like, I was at 659. And no alerts went off. The number literally just rose, and I don't know why, dude. I genuinely have no clue, but I just gained 7 mystery followers, dude. I don't know why. It's truly a mystery. I mean, you know, we take those, I guess. Yeah, it's pretty cool, but. Okay, so I'm gonna explain it this way. I want a package today, but it's being delivered tomorrow. No matter what I do to the package tomorrow, it's not gonna get here today, right? I could grab it in the future, but it doesn't matter. I need it now. Like, it's just not. It doesn't. The data for me to even get doesn't exist at the time I want it. Okay, wait. So I need to get UI preview, and then I should be able to just get the thing, right? I should be able to just get it. Current tile, surrounding cells. Do I need to make it public? You have to make them public? I actually have no idea. Do you need statics to be public? I thought static was already like automatically public, no? Okay, whatever. I just try, I guess. Current tile, okay, sure. If I don't make a time travel machine, dude, if only. I mean, technically, I kind of am. I'm doing rollback. Rollback has to do time travel a little bit, but it's a different topic. Okay, so I need to... What exactly? What exactly do I need? So current tile is an int. Is that the ID? I don't even fucking remember, man. Why do I have this? It's just a reference. I just have a getter to get current tile? Why? Am I evil? Current tile equals 3. Value item dot type tile list value dot keep is list. Okay. 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 Current tile list try get value. Okay. Okay, so it should be the item ID, which is good. So I should be able to do item manager, item list, this. Oh my god, what did I click? Jesus, dude. And then I should be able to do like var texture equals this. dot texture. Maybe. Maybe. Okay, and then I need to do node dot set texture. Can I just... Oh. Oh, do I have to do... This is horrible. Dude, this is so bad. Holy fuck, dude. This is like some legit top 10 worst code ever, dude. It's crazy, man. How is it this bad? It doesn't even make sense, man. Like... Sprite.texture equals texture. Okay, I don't know if this is even gonna work because I remember having a lot of problems with trying to set textures in my in Godot. Like just doing this in general, a lot of times kind of sucks ass. This is the idea. This is the idea. Well, actually, no, it's not. Who cares? Is sending a reference really that much slower? I don't think so. I don't even think I have IDs of textures. Does Godot even give you those? I don't know, actually. Okay, so here, you know what? Actually, let's just run this. I don't even know if this is gonna work at all. Like, I think if I place in single player down, that works. Oh, okay. That's cool. Let's try actually in a game now. Okay, HC. Okay. Okay, well there was an error, but it worked. Item ID. Did I not set it in here? Ah. Isn't this supposed to automatically set for me? Whatever. Numlock is not enabled. It's fine. It's fine. Try again, huh? Try again. Let's see. Okay, so this is the host. This is the client. So now if I place this down, okay, I see what's going on. Like I see what's going on. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I see what's going on. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. This is fine. It's the wrong texture. How do I even get the right texture? I don't remember, dude. How do I get the texture, bro? Dude, how are you supposed to remember how your code works? Like, look, I get it. Like, I don't have comments on my code, and I could, like, document shit, right? But, like, even then, I'd have to spend, like, hours of my life reading through my own documentation. Like, how am I supposed to remember anything in this world, dude? How does the tile know? It's because it's in... Oh, I guess it's because it's in the thing. It's in the, here. These are the... Right, okay, okay. So, I need the scene that... Okay, it's fine. It's still, don't worry about it. Maybe I'm thinking about going this route. Maybe I'm thinking about going about this just like all the wrong way anyways. Because what I could do instead of all this shit is I could do what my UI preview already does. Because currently the UI preview already calls set cell here in the actual preview of the thing. This happens like every frame, right? I could just have it do that and then not have it be green. Wait, does it call set cell anywhere else? No, it's just here. Okay. No, I assume also erase cell is also only called here. Okay. I want to make sure. I just want to make sure that that's correct. Because I was just thinking, like, technically speaking, the conveyor is not going to be animated until it's down in the server. Which I guess technically that would be like, it could be like a good idea to have it work that way, because if the texture isn't running, then people won't be like, oh, why isn't my conveyor working? But you know, I don't want it to look like that. I think that would look bad, personally speaking. So maybe what I should be doing is calling set cell in UI preview and then erasing it. I think that might be a better idea now that I think about it, than having this whole thing. And then I could just call for real the other thing, right? Yeah, maybe that's a better idea. I think that the more I'm thinking about it, I think that just makes more sense than to have to do all this and it be terrible. Because then, like, then I can just call this, and I can just call erase cell in here. Because I can do that, right? Erase. Yeah, I can. Okay, I think that's a much better idea. I think that's a much better idea. I think this is significantly better. And I can do the same thing up here. I can call erase cell up here. Yeah. Okay, we gotta do that. That's a way better idea. Okay, okay. So now let me think, how do I get the data to be correct? So, I mean, first thing I need to do is I need to make this actually just needs to not happen anymore, right? This is evil. Comment this out. And I need to call set cell at the current layer. What's my other set cell call? I'm gonna copy paste this whole thing, actually. Okay, I'm just gonna run this actually and see what happens. Because I'm just, you know, like, I could think about it, or I could just press play and see what happens, yeah? Oh, right, it done. Fine. Fine. Dude, isn't it crazy, chat, that I'm not even at, like, the hard part of doing networking yet? Like, we're still in the easy phase, dude. This is like the easy stuff, you know what I mean? It's kind of bad. Okay. Wait. Did that work? RPC authority place tile on yourself is not allowed by selected mode. Which did that, was that on this one? Yeah, okay. So client 1 or session 1 is the client, and it's trying to call RPC authority override. Wait, why? That doesn't make any sense. Wait, why is it calling? Wait, no. No, I thought I had it all understood. I thought I figured out the universe. But it's not real? Wait, okay, hold on. Just double check. RPC authority overwrite playstyle. That's being called? But that makes no sense. Oh, it does make sense, because it's I forgot it's placing here. Wait, how is any of this working? Dude. Dude. That is bad, brother. Let me tell you right now. Holy shit, that is bad that I just did that. Yeah, this doesn't work at all. Because if the server places, then obviously this is gonna fucking die, dude. Rewrite to JavaScript? Why would I do that? What is wrong with you? Why would I ever do that to myself? Are you crazy? Look, just because Vampire Survivors is written in JavaScript does not mean that any other game should ever be. Hashtag Vide, hashtag code, hashtag work from Cypress. This guy's a fucking genius, man. Yeah, especially not for games, dude. Like for front end, I think it's fine. And even a little bit of back end, you know? Like I'm a big Node enjoyer. I love Node. Node is swag, but the rest of it's kind of like, you know, why would I do that to myself? Like, why? Well, okay, technically... Oh, wait. Callable remotely only by the current multiplayer authority. Wait, hold on, I gotta reset. I thought I understood it, now maybe I don't understand. Run on backend, phone, PC, cars. Not games because it's slow as balls and it's dog shit. It's the same as Python, dude. Once you are ever gonna be done with your multiplayer, make a duplicate version of your project and have an AI implemented as a race. Dude, if AI can implement my game, like, why would I even exist, dude? I guarantee you it won't. I don't even think AI, like, I would be very surprised if it could even write a functioning multiplayer game that has any complexity. I mean, if it can, like, fucking, I'll just quit and just do that for the rest of my life. Like, fucking, what's even the point of working, dude? Like, okay, this is the host and it's session 1, right? This is session, no. What? No. Okay, hold on, I gotta reset. I'm getting lost in the sauce, dude. Okay. This is session 1, this is session 2. Okay, that makes sense, sure. So if I press host, and I press client, and then on the host, I click this. Okay, so on session 1, RPC authority override playstyle is on yourself is not allowed by selected mode. Why? Am I not the authority, motherfucker? Okay, let's try on this one. What happens? Place a conveyor. No errors. Yeah, okay. I'm lost. I'm losing it, dude. He's losing it, Chad. It's all going away. That doesn't make any sense, bro. Okay. I think I've run into this error before, which is the worst part. Like, the worst thing ever is running into an error that you know you've seen before. It's just been too long since you've seen it, so you forgot how to fix it. I'm like 99% sure I have. So, RPC ID to myself, overwrite place tile. Why? Oh, because, no, but why? Oh, this isn't call local. I see. Okay. No, I do know what's going on. It's fine. So yeah, it's the same problem that I already knew was happening. The problem is that the server thinks it's right, so it's emitting the signal to place the tile down here, and by doing that, it doesn't call authority tile placed, right? Now, again, the thing is that the only reason why it looks bad is because I'm faking ping, and I fake ping even to myself. So if I send a packet to myself, it still waits 50 milliseconds every time. So that's the only reason why it looks bad currently, like from what I'm doing, right? Alright, adios, Yihor. I hope that my next day is super productive, because most days aren't. Dude, I'm kidding. I should time you up for 8 hours, Cabby. Time that for 37 minutes. Goodbye. Okay, fine. Look, I'll unban you just because it was kind of based, but like... So stupid, dude. Like this doesn't it doesn't matter in the actual game is what I'm trying to say. Like if I don't have this here, it doesn't actually matter, but it does look bad when I'm testing. So I would like to not have that happen, right? Yeah, if you literally just if you walk into I just walked in after saying a slur. Oh. Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna get rid of this for now. It's fine. It'll look slightly bad when we're just playing around, but whatever. It's chill, dude. I place this down. Like it's gonna look delayed, which is really, really bad. But again, what am I gonna do? HC. Place a tile. Okay, so it places on both, and then if I place on this one, so this will also work. Oh wait, it just works. Okay, we did it, Reddit. Let me try this. If I put this down here, and then put this here, does it work on both screens? Okay. Okay. It may have taken like 5 hours, and I didn't even mean to fix it, but it got fixed somehow. Isn't that crazy? Actually, well, I don't know if it got fixed, because this needs to not be laggy. The client for sure needs to not be laggy like that. That's a big problem. Also, actually, hold on. If I place down an inserter here, what happens? Oh, it does turn into a conveyor. Okay, that's actually perfect. This is exactly how it should be working. Okay, that's really, really good. That's actually fucking, I don't know how that works, if I'm being real with you, but whatever. Whatever, man. It's chill, dude. Whatever, dude. So... Well, okay, I don't know why this didn't work, I guess, because it should be setting... It should just be calling set cell, and I should see the conveyor there. Run again. I know I literally just did the same thing, but look, sometimes, look, network debugging in any video game is a lot of, you run the game, you look at it, and you go, I don't know if that worked or not, and then you do it again, and you do it again, and then you do it again, okay? Yeah, it's definitely delayed. So the set cell call is not working. This is not working. I don't know why. It should be. No. I think it's, for whatever reason, it's just, I mean, I guess I can just do this. I think it's just not calling, and I don't really know why. So I'm the client on this thing, which is the Visual Studio one. Then... Wait. I need to put a breakpoint in set cell. So this should be getting called no matter what. Yeah, okay. So it calls set cell, and this is in UI preview, and it's the same exact call as up here. So I have no idea why. Fuck you, gaming dog. I have no idea why it shouldn't be working. Calls it twice. Oh, because I'm holding left with that. Oh. Oh, I think I breakpointed and it disconnected my game. That's another horrible thing about multiplayer debugging, by the way, chat. If you DC or if you breakpoint to look at the data, then you DC every time, unless you know. W apology. Okay, but Cappy, you say the same apology every time. You come with the Logan Paul apology quite literally every single time. But like, can I really say that it's working? Can I say that I accepted it? Like, if Logan Paul just kept doing the same shit and then saying I've made a severe lapse in my judgment and continuous lapse in my judgment and then didn't fix it, I don't have a ukulele. Guys, when am I gonna be able to make a YouTube apology, dude? Yeah, I'm DC'd. Okay. Okay, hold on. There is a signal somewhere in here that is like super duper cringe. Okay. Like I know on UI preview child entered tree. This is the guy. Okay. This, oh my God. I forgot how like shit this, like the whole thing for the tile system is so bad. Like I'm just like, I genuinely forgot. Like it's actually like, it's so impressive to me that this shit works just at all. It's crazy, dude. Like it really is. I don't know how it works, dude. Just play some Yakuza. Cappy, I'm pretty sure last time I played Yakuza, you weren't here. I mean, it should be at least modulating it, but it's not even doing that, which is weird. Like, I don't know why it's not even. It's not even. It's not even, dude. Which is bad, right? Like. Erase cell. Okay, it's commented out there. Is it because of this? I call erase cell here. If I comment this, I mean, no, that's not gonna work. It's gonna kill everything. I'm gonna go pee again. I'll be back in a sec. Wait, never mind. I have 1 minute on my ad. Hold on. Hold on. Look, it's preparing my ad. 1 minute left. Okay, I'll stay. I lied. We gotta look at it again, chat. We gotta look at it again. Okay, look, we just have to. It must be done. Okay, don't spam. Oh, definition of insanity, motherfucker. Oh, okay. I do see what's happening. Okay. I'm just dumb, right? It's because the cell is already set. Actually, wait. What if I just do this? Does that work? I kind of doubt it, but like, who knows, man? Maybe. What if I just do that? Oh, and there's 8 errors. Layer is out of bounds. Okay, hold on. Maybe if I add layers, like an onion, maybe. Perchance. Am I ad ready yet? I'll be there. Ugh, okay. What's up, Darcy? Recently got into vibe coding and thought about a bigger project I could pursue for now. Dude, a real vibe coder in my chat. Dude, can you help me? How do I vibe code better, dude? How do I get a, okay, you know what I actually want? Okay, what if I apply to vibe coder jobs and I just program normally? Like, what if I apply for a vibe coder job and I use Claude or whatever and I'm like Zam, dude. And then I just don't use Claude and I just write code. Okay, I think I can add layers in here somehow. Layer. Oh, that's okay. And maybe in the ready function I do something. Let's see. Lab coding is for seniors. I think that programming in general is not for seniors. Let's just be real, you know. Godot, tile map, layer. Okay, whatever. Fucking add layer. Okay, hold on. Add layer. One. Does it work? Who knows, dude? Does he know? Does he know? I learned coding a bit years ago, but not also sufficient. Vibe coding, which is just awesome fun if you're making your own stuff. I think that's fair. Okay, like I think that's actually that is what vibe coding should be. Except it just shouldn't be called vibe coding. Like it's like fucking, it's just a stupid term more than anything. Like, like okay, hear me out, right? Like yes, working on your own stuff and just like having fun with AI, I have no problem with that. You know what I mean? But like the guy who's like, yeah, I'm a professional vibe coder. I have a job that pays me $1 million. and then he's like, yeah, guys, I just wrote a website in 5 minutes. And then he puts it out as 1207001. Like, fucking, yeah, man, okay. Like, I think that's just not a vibe coding. I think it's just, it should be something called something different. It should just be called having fun. Like, you know what I mean? Like it's the same as like, I think like anyone who calls themselves a professional artist that uses AI art only, like that's fucking stupid. But if I just say, oh yeah, I wanted to draw Sonic with a huge penis with the AI, is anyone really gonna get mad at me for that? Like, come on. That's the difference, okay? Okay, it does work exactly how I want, except that it's green. So that's good. Progress, all right? Progress. AI code's still garbage. Hey, look, someone actually knows. I was actually asking earlier, because I haven't used AI code like basically forever. I think vibe coding is fine. Like if I just say like I like hello ChatGPT, make me code that like draws funny circles on the screen. Like that's fun. That's very fun. I would even say. You know what I mean? Like. I would even argue that's extremely fun. The same way that I say, hello, ChatGPT, I want to see Sonic with a fucking huge penis. That's also pretty fun, yeah? Okay, so I think what I can do is on UI preview child enter tree is... Oh, actually, maybe not. I need to know what this is on, like what layer, but I don't know if I can get that or not. Probably can't because it fucking sucks ass. probably not because it's trash. Maybe I can. Hold on. Let's go back. Godot tile map. We gotta look at layers. Can I like get layer existing? Get cell tile data? No, but I need the layer. How do I get the layer? Get layer name. Get layer Z index. Get layer count. No, man. I don't need any of that. See, this is why this is ass, dude. This is why I just shouldn't be using this. It's... Oh, dude. Not quite a speed of thought, but only a few steps behind. Really? Is it actually that fast? I mean, like, the problem that I always had is every time I used AI code, like integrating it would take fucking forever. You know what I mean? Like I would just like try to integrate my code. Like I would be like, okay, I need you to make this thing, and then on top of that, add this thing, and then it's just like it would die, and then I would have to fix that all myself, and it just sucked ass. So like, I don't know, man. I will also definitely tell you right now that you know, we're not working on the game for like quite some time. Yeah, it's like it's gonna take a while. So, anyways, I see you can't get the layer, which is fucking awesome. That's great. Yeah, that's cool. So it's gonna be green always. Which is horrible, because it's evil. And I ended up actually tried vibe coding a thing or two, always ended up redoing the project, which sucks. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, I just feel like I gotta always redo it. Yeah, okay. Actually, so again, that's the most true shit I've ever heard. Vibe coding is just changing your job to constantly code reviewing. That is actually the truest shit I've ever heard, dude. Yeah, I have fun programming. I don't have fun code reviewing. Code reviewing is like the worst part about having a programming job, dude. That is the truest shit I've ever heard, dude. Holy fuck. That might be too true, I would even say. I mean, it's always green, which is bad. How can I fix her? Can I fix her? I kind of don't think so. I mean, I could put a tile map inside of this. That's a second one. Oh, God, dude. But, like... I mean, it'll work. It'll work. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Alright. Fine. We'll be evil, okay? Tile map. Client side map. New tile map. So, basically all I gotta do is at this other set cell. This guy. This needs to now just be called... Client. What did I fucking call that shit? Client side map. Set cell. And then 0. Okay. And now I think it should work. Okay. Hardcore. Minecraft. Okay. Oh? What? Oh, is it because it doesn't have... Oh, it doesn't have it. It doesn't have the stuff. Yeah, all of this is just gone because it's not the same fucking coordinate. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I know how to fix it. I can fix it. Hold on. I just gotta do in ready. Let's not do this. Client side map. Set atlas. Can I not set the atlas? For real? Where did I close it again? Bro, I need to stop closing this shit. I need this. Atlas. Atlas chords. I can't set the atlas chords? Or the atlas itself? That's horrible. That's horrible. This thing is such a piece of shit, dude. This is the most piece of shit thing that's ever been created by humans, man. How is it this bad? How is it? Oh my god, dude. This is horrible. Tile set scene. Like, there's no way to set this. I can't. Properties. Oh, tile set. Oh, okay. Fine. Tile set. Okay. I think this should fix it. Also, I think my cough has gotten way better, by the way, which is really nice. Like, I haven't coughed like, I mean, I still a little bit, but just comparatively to last stream, dude, this is way better. This is so manageable, I would even say. Okay, still didn't work. Why? Yeah, I think I'm finally getting over whatever I had. I don't know if I mean, it might have been something worse and I like just, you know, fought it off, Giga Chad, but I don't know, man. I guess technically maybe I have to do this. It shouldn't make a difference, realistically speaking, but I'm just gonna make sure. Yeah, I don't know why. Also, I need to close this. I don't know why it's not working, but it really should be. Like, yeah, it's just not showing up. Like, it's not even erroring, which is weird. I have no idea. I don't know. Stole the coughing from me since I have that now. Dude, I infected Celgen over stream. I got no clue, chat. I'm gonna be real with you. You know what we're gonna do though? Instead of fixing that, I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna make it so that we can break the tiles. Break tile. Okay, here. This guy. Okay, so the only thing I really have to make sure here is that if the tile is broken on the same frame by both clients, that only one of them gets it. I don't really care who gets it because it doesn't matter, but one of them has to get it. It cannot be both, right? Because that would be the easiest duplication glitch literally in the history ever. Just break tiles at the same time and everything's it's GG. Yeah, okay. So all I have to do is call, like, well, okay, first thing, let's just do this. Let me, actually, I guess first I have to go down here. Gotta add a new function. Where is, no, it's not here. Here. I'm gonna copy this whole shit. I mean, I guess do I have to do the same thing? No, I don't think I have to. Like, if I do the whole request wait thing, I feel like that's a bit overkill. I think instead of that, like, okay, here. This is just gonna be tile. And then just back. This. Oh, and I guess I need tile size. I need tile size. And then. Okay. So then. Also, by the way, I think that I don't have the there's a lot of stuff that's just broken in this engine. I gotta do a lot of things. Like, when I actually play this game, there's gonna be so many bugs, dude. Like, not even just multiplayer bugs. Like, I know of like 8 single player bugs in my mind right now. The splitter, like, just doesn't work as it should. So much, dude. It's horrible. It's actually horrible, dude. But anyways, it's fine. So back to the break tile. So here we just gotta do RPC or online RPC. And this, and then method name dot remove tile removed, and then these needs to be vec and tile dot. Oh, I don't have tile size, do I? Dude, this is so... What? Hold on. Do I have int tile size equals tile width? Yeah, I calculate it every time. Like, dude, this shit is so bad. Don't I have tile size? I only have tile width and tile height. How is that fucking possible, dude? Okay. I don't even know how. Like, it's humanly possible that this was not a thing, okay? I really genuinely don't, you know? Maybe it's because it doesn't work. I don't fucking know. But I literally have it in here. Okay. And then else tile size equals 0. Okay. Fine, whatever, man. Hello? Is it because it's not a tile entity? Because it's evil? The node? Fine. Oh wait, wait, why do I have it that? It's backwards, dude. It's ent equals tile is. Whatever, man. It's fine. Whatever, it's fine. Hello, Pip. IO, but not in the factor. No, it's fine. It's all fine, actually. It's all good. Look, at least this one will be simple and it'll just work, okay? It's fine. It'll be simple and it'll just work. Look, I press host, I press client. And it's just gonna work. Look, I'm gonna place the tiles, and then this guy's gonna break the tiles, and it's not gonna fucking work. Oh, okay, that's fine. Look, I didn't change the what do you call? It's fine. This just has to be not this. Any peer there, and not call local. Okay, it's not even for real. It's just gonna work, okay? We're just gonna press the button and it's gonna work. I think I'm gonna get this done. This being the rest of it, and then I think I'm gonna end stream. and then other way around. Okay, see? That one was easy, okay? Now again, so the issue is that technically right now there's a duplication bug. But I don't know if I want to fix that. So I don't know if I really want to be fixing that right now. You know what I mean? Like, is that really what I want to be fixing? Write the issue off to future Lugswo. I mean. Yeah, okay, fine. We'll do that. Okay, here, I'm gonna move this down to down here. This is gonna be moved up to up here. And then goals today for next stream will be fix dupe bug when both players break tile. Duplication never a bad thing in games, is it? Yeah, especially not when it's literally as simple as we both break the thing at the same time. Definitely not. Definitely not. Definitely not. Okay. So, I don't know why the tile map isn't working. Write down suggested by Celogen. No. Fucking owned, dude. Okay. How do I, why is the tile map not working? Why is the tile map like actually just fake news? I don't understand why it's not real. Like, I just don't understand, dude. Unsuggested by Adsy. Dude, my documentation, if I just like, if I give credit to everyone, would be so horrible, dude. Think about how fucking awesome it would be. Just my documentation everywhere is just spammed with random Twitch and YouTube chatters. Oh, it's because Right. I know what's going on. Look, I figured it out, dude. This is why it's not working. There you go. Now it should work, I think, maybe. Maybe. Host, client. And now if I do this... No, it still doesn't work. Bro, what? Okay, I think I have to also do maybe this. Wrong. I think it's because it's not part of the scene tree. Well, okay, no. Let's not do that. Fuck this shit. No. I changed my mind. I have a much better idea than doing all that. All that is pretty fucking lame. Okay, let's be real here. Like, rather than doing all that, yeah. We just do client or add child client side map. This is much better. I forgot you can do that. It's almost like the whole your child parents. What happened? What? What? Oh, right. This is child enter tree. Oh, okay. Hold on. I gotta do if node is not tile entity. Return. Okay. Okay, there we go. We're better. Okay. This time for real, okay? I'm gonna place it down. There we go. Okay. Much better. Much better now. Okay. So now I just have to delete these because they're obviously not supposed to be here. So, I guess I just have to do that in over here in authority tile placed and also overwrite tile placed. Okay, so let's just make a little function. Bro, it happens. Oh, it doesn't happen every time. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. But who cares? Look, it's like 0.001% faster, dude. It's not that bad, okay? It's not that bad. What am I supposed to do though? I'm supposed to do if node what, like node or node dot type get type. It doesn't. I know that it doesn't run every single. It technically does run every frame, but like, or every time you add a tile. But like, who cares, dude? What do you mean no? How much slower is not really? It can't be like, even if it's 100 times slower, it can't be that bad. So Trojan Mango, do you think I have a better chance of making money by diving into the deep end of learning crypto hacking or financial crime? Isn't it that technically the same thing? Like if you hack someone's crypto wallet, that's a financial crime, no? like are they the same? Oh, I guess that's fair. This is not needed. Wait, no, but isn't it? Oh, and I do this. I see, and then I get rid of this. Okay, sure. Like white collar crimes. Like, well, what kind? It's like, what's a white collar crime? What is? Oh, a blue collar crime is the guy who robs the fucking bank, dude. No, not me though, not me. Isn't a white collar, like, white collar crime is it's crazy, dude. That's crazy. Okay, so we gotta do in here your private void Ponzi scheme seems to always get bigger. Okay, so that's what you meant by financial crime, is specifically like pyramid scheme. Probably that, honestly. Okay. I just want to okay, think about this for a second, right? Like, do you think about how many people went to Chase Bank and did check fraud, right? Because of the TikTok. Like, what if you just made a TikTok that was like, guys, money hack, infinite money glitch. You give your money to me, and I double it in a year. like, you're telling me that's not gonna happen? Oh no, okay. The real way is you would make an account. You would go, guys. I just found this guy, and he makes you double your money in a year, guaranteed, no matter what. Because then people is believable, right? It's horrible, dude. Thanks for the sub, Etsy. I appreciate it, man. I hope to catch you around sometime soon. If I stream soon, except I won't, because I'm fucking evil. We needed to do erase client side preview. Yeah, okay. Doesn't everyone love to spam W and Kaizen on offline chat and send 100 to subs so he reads your name? His offline chat is crazy, dude. I'm sure some of the billionaires got there with crime. Yeah. I mean, it depends. Like, okay, do you think that signing off on, like, you know, like, slave labor is crime? Like, it's technically illegal in America, but if I just say, oh, they're doing it in you know, in Africa, now it's chill. It doesn't matter anymore. Start studying them. Yeah, I think that's an awesome, like, dude, the type of guy who reads billionaire autobiographies, that guy's awesome. He gets fucking all the pussy, dude. So this just needs a vector 2i vec. I think that's it, actually. I think about it. I just call client side map erase cell add vector. Oh, add 0, I guess. Could just work. I mean, honestly, now I think about this, doesn't need to be a thing. We just do this, but whatever, it's fine. How about crypto hacking? I mean, if you can figure out how to get into it, yeah, obviously. Like, that's like saying, oh, if I, like, a really lucrative market is bank hacking. Like, yes, but like, it doesn't make any sense. I mean, I will say that probably crypto hacking is easier than like hacking a bank, because realistically speaking, you could just like you just find some guy and steal his info. Like, you know, it's not, you don't gotta do too much more. But the previous crypto hackers would be billionaires if they cash out their money, but their money is trapped because they can be tracked. But like, no, right? Like, if I cash out, it's like, okay, as long as you don't know who the account belongs to, it's still anonymous. Like, you cash it out and it's like, oh, some guy cashed out a lot of money. Who fucking knows who it was though, right? Okay, so if I wait, client on this one, do this, and then I break them on this side and they go away. Okay. Amazing, dude. Look at that. Look at that, dude. Hacking exchanges or protocols. Like, brother, I gotta tell you, you're in the wrong. Like, okay, you ever thought about going on like the crypto category on Twitch and asking these questions? I feel like random game dev streamer who does not give a shit about crypto. I've never invested in crypto in my life. Even though I probably, like, okay, even though I invest in stocks and I buy options because it's gambling, and crypto is basically that on crack, you know. Maybe I should, but anyways, look, it works. We did it. We did it. It all, I mean, it's not working on this side, but that's fine. It's all working, dude. I mean, actually, I guess I could just fix it there too. Like, there's no reason not to, right? Like, I just do this. I think it should actually just be, it should just work both ways. Trying to be a billionaire. I gotta tell you, if you're in Twitch chats asking streamers how to become a billionaire, the chances of you becoming a billionaire is like, it's like everlastingly small. Like, like if Jeff Bezos was in my chat and he said, "Hey man, I was thinking about starting this company where I like ship things to people. Do you think that'd be a good idea?" I would bet my net worth on that guy not working out. Yeah, it does work. Okay, nice. Okay, so we still got. Okay, so next stream, the goals are. I mean, we gotta do this. This is done now. Oops. And then I really gotta start doing this, which is gonna be hard, but I think, like, or at least we're actually okay. The more I think about it, we're actually not rolling back. We're just we're fast forwarding. It's actually the opposite. I might go look at some more. I might go rewatch the rollback stuff again. I need to get a refresher because I was talking about being stuff like that and it wasn't working. So you know, what's up, Fred? Welcome back. No, actually, I was about to end my stream. I mean, I could keep streaming for a little bit longer, but I mean, I could do a game stream, but I just want to make sure. I gotta make sure that I don't die. This is the first day where I've been streaming for a while, and I feel fine. I'm not coughing like basically at all, which is like good. Bro, if you have a billionaire mentor, just ask him for a billionaire or for $1 billion. The fastest way to become a millionaire is to ask a billionaire for $1 million. Am I planning to continue the Chinese parent game? Whenever. I mean, it's whenever, you know. So invested in Genius Lugswo. Because I'm not even. Dude, I keep getting fucking F's in my class, dude. So I'm not even. My dude is fucking... He's dying. He's having a horrible time, man. And then eventually TM, we also got to do tests. These are very, very important, okay? I gotta do both of those. But yeah, I think this is what we're gonna try to work on next time. We're gonna work on tile placing, like... Yeah, I'm not rolling. I mean, maybe I should try to do real rollback. I don't know, because it's so hard. Like, that is so much harder. Real rollback is very hard because you have to keep a buffer of the past frame state of the game. That's very hard. That's a lot of memory. I mean, you know, it's like literally 10xing my memory probably, maybe more. So I don't actually know entirely how other games do it. I have to rewatch some of the like GDC talks about rollback and stuff. Yeah, I think we're at an okay spot. I mean, like, technically speaking, it's multiplayer. Like, you know, all the things that work in this game, they work. You know, like, I place the tiles down and it works on both screens. Like, technically speaking, it's multiplayer, kind of, sort of. You can move around and see each other move around, right? But we gotta do a lot more until that gets, like, good. Also, I gotta, like, do multiplayer for, like, weapons and stuff, because that's still not done. So, here's a roll front. Like, I'm just thinking, there definitely are ways that it's gonna break, so I should probably do real rollback. And also, like, I'm supposed to be doing real rollback anyways, so, you know. And that'll probably be a longer stream, but I'm kind of tired. And, yeah, that's it. I'm kind of tired. Like, I'll do probably, I mean, maybe tomorrow I'll stream again. I know I, like, you know, fucking, that's, like, big copium. But if I feel good, I will, you know. And then probably this weekend. I gotta make another YouTube short, dude. I gotta make a YouTube short about, I mean, the last one I uploaded did fucking bad. Which, like, did I expect it to do bad? Yes. But, you know, please stream my doctor's appointments. Doesn't that, like, break HIPAA violations, like, immediately? Also, I haven't gone to the doctor. I mean, since last time at least, because I've been feeling fine. So, I mean, clearly, right? But yeah, maybe I'll stream tomorrow again, and then on Sunday maybe TM will do like a normal game stream, and then, you know, we'll see, man. All shorts will do bad except the one single short you hate, which will go viral. Well, that's why I upload the bad ones, you know, like. Sometimes the bad video does well. I mean, again, every single, like, most viewed video I've uploaded has been, like, terrible. Like, by far the least amount of effort put into them. I don't hate them, and I'm glad they did well, but, you know, it's the truth. Like fucking NFT video and Wordle video, those took like 5 minutes to finish, like to edit and upload. I think that the Wordle like idea was better, I guess. And I mean, technically, I guess the simulation clicker speedrun world record video is also doing okay, but like, you know, not that good. It's just doing kind of okay. It's like, all right, I guess at best. But yeah, I hope, again, no promises, okay? Because I thought, you know. I wouldn't hate it, but I'd be disheartened that a low effort video does better than a high effort one. Dude, okay, honestly, I think it's great because that means that I can make low effort videos and be successful. Dude, making high effort videos sucks ass. I gotta like try and spend my time. Fuck that, dude. Let me just upload dog shit and get a million views. That's way better, dude. I fucking hate putting effort in, bro. Let me make the most dog shit video ever and make $10 million and then leave the platform. Kidding me? But yeah, no promises. Maybe I stream tomorrow. I'm just a little tired, dude. And then probably at least a stream this weekend, if I feel good. So thanks for watching the stream, gamers. It's only, I feel like it was longer than 2.5 hours, but whatever, dude. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow, TM. Hopefully also earlier than 3. I need to do these early because I just, like, I lose gumption as the day goes on to continue working, you know what I mean? I can only work at 2 a.m. or during the normal work hours, dude. Anyways, thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye, everybody.